paltan na rin natin yung napakaikling termino ng mga mayor,
So
governor.
you are also in favor of extending the term of the local officials to
The mayor?
mayors and other local
Yes,
officials?
I believe so. I think most mayors would be very much relieved if they didn't have to have so many elections to worry about.
Sa San Juan ayoko.
Alam ko, kayo ni Nancy.
If I may from here.
Yes.
Okay, may I know when was the first barangay election held,
Ano ba
Your
yun?
Honor?
Pero maalala. Sabi ko, 1970.
It was during your father's time.
Yes, that's right. 1970s. Di ko na maalala kasi 2 years old pa lang po ako noon. Anong first time? 1970.
But at any rate, how many years ang tenure ng barangay captain?
Dati-dati, ayon sa Batas Pambansa 222, nung 1982 to, 6 years talaga ang term. Nag-umpisa talaga yan sa 6 years. Kaya lang, ang nangyari, magkasabay sila ng presidential election at saka nung barangay. Sabi ng COMELEC at sumang-ayon lahat na wag naman pagsabayan at napakagulo, sunod-sunod na eleksyon sa iisang taon. Parang ang mangyayari sa 2025, ganun po rin.
Okay, we are trying to postpone next year's election of barangay elections.
That's correct.
Am I correct?
That's correct.
So when will it be held? When will the next barangay election
kung
begin?
naupo ng 2023 plus 6, sa palagay ko, October ng 2029, which works out dahil it will be 1 year after the presidential election. Parang maganda naman po yun kung bago yung Pangulo, bagong mandato, bago rin ang mandato ng mga nasa ibaba.
Okay, the proposed measure provided the next barangay and SK elections shall be held on the second Monday of May 2029, as you've mentioned earlier, and every 6 years thereafter.
It should be the last Monday of October in 2029.
Last Monday,
Oo. Sana that would be ideal para
not on May.
wag ng May kasi nga pero okay din kung May. Kung sa tingin niyo, total it's 1 year later.
Yes.
Kapag handa na yung COMELEC.
Will this provision indirectly contravene the ruling of the Supreme Court that the succeeding barangay and SK elections shall be held on the first Monday of December of 2025 and every 3 years thereafter?
Yes, I think this will be an amendment. This will be a new law which will supersede the previous ones. And the recommendation is, as the good Senate President Pro Tempore mentioned, that may also be a good option given that October is always rainy and there are midterms and other exams which hamper the SK from attending and voting.
My only concern here, Madam Sponsor, is that if this measure will be passed into law, setting a fixed longer term of 6 years for barangay officials and their kagawads, and there will be a postponement, there may be a scenario that barangay officials would serve longer than the president. Do you agree, Madam Sponsor?
I think that's not going to happen. They will serve, in fact, 1 year longer. That's correct. But it should not happen again. It will, thereafter, it will be coordinated 1 year after the president. Pareho lang, 6 na taon. Siguro yung lalampas lang, hindi rin lalampas kasi yung mga nakaupo ngayon, nag-umpisa ng 2023, samantalang ang Pangulo 2022. Tapos yung susunod na election ng Pangulo, 2028, ang mga kapitan at mga opisyal, 2029 naman. So patas lang sila na 6 na taon, yun nga lang magkasunod.
So ibig sabihin, napakaswerte nitong incumbent barangay captains sa buong Pilipinas because they will serve for 6 years, am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. At yung Batas Pambansa, natanong ninyo kanina, yung 1982, 6 years talagang nagsimula yon. Tapos 1988, 5 years. Talagang matagal ito dati. Tayo lang ang nagbagsak sa 3 years.
Because by virtue of the local government code of 1988,
Yes, that's correct.
the term of office was reduced to 3 years.
Yes. I think that was a later amendment. Papalit-palit kasi ito eh. Nung 1982, napaltan yung 6 years to 5 years. Nung 1988, 1991, 3 years na lang. Noong 1998, 5 years na naman. Tapos 2002, 3 years na naman.
Gawin
Kaya,
natin 1 year. Para...
para masaya, taon-taon eleksyon. Kaya nga, nahihirapan yung mga barangay. Ang dami-daming requirements ngayon sa barangay, sa COA, ang daming problema sa DBM, yung papeles nila halos pareho rin ng munisipyo. Kaya't para lang matuto kung paano mapilapan ito at mag-comply, talagang kinakailangan nila ng halos 1 taon para makabisado nila lahat yan.
Okay, my last question is, with the recent decision of the Supreme Court declaring the unconstitutionality of Republic Act 11935 regarding the postponement of the October 2023 barangay elections, would this proposed measure address the concerns of the Supreme Court by fixing the term of office of barangay officials to 6 years?
Yes, I believe that there is no contravention of the recent Supreme Court decision because we know that the main and only purpose of RA 11935 was to move the barangay election from 2022 to 2023. Only a one-time postponement. That is what is prohibited by the Supreme Court. In this case, we are fixing for all time and for all terms the duration of the barangay officials term for 6 years. So iba naman yung ginagawa natin, hindi yung minsanan na parating nagpo-postpone na nangyari na 2 beses sa atin dito at ang ginagawa naman natin ngayon ay once and for all, habaan na natin para hindi mayat maya bumabalik sa Senado at Kongreso.
Hindi ba ho naglalabing ibang local officials aside from the barangay captains like mayors, governors na extend din yung kanilang term, habaan yung kanilang...
Oo nga. Oo, talagang nakasimangot po. Hindi naman naglalabi, nakasimangot lang at hindi pumapalakpak. Pag kinakausap ko yung ibang kapitan, anong suggestion ninyo? Ano ba maganda gawin? Pag kinakausap yung SK, palakpakan yung SK at yung barangay. Pero yung mga mayor at congressman, medyo hindi sila natutuwa. Ang sabi nila, kung yung barangay 6 na taon, sana all. Sabi ko, hindi kaya ng powers namin yun. Nasa konstitusyon, nakatakda yung term nino ng mga mayor, vice, mga konsehal, congressman, gobernador, vice. So, baka naman, kung maganda ang performance ng ating barangay sa 6 na taon, baka naman na maingganyo na, napaltan na rin yung 3 taon na termino na sa palagay ko, walang papalag, wala namang may gusto ng napakaikli.
Mm-hmm. Because if my memory serves me right, before the passage of the local government code, pero ang mayor at vice mayor and all the local officials, 4 years ang term nila. 4 years. 1 term of 4 years. Because I served as vice mayor in San Juan for 4 years. That was during 1988 to 1992. So 4 na taon.
Palagay ko, bago magkaroon tayo ng bagong saligang batas noong 1987, 4+4 talaga yon. 4+4, di ba? Ang ating term, katulad ng US. Pero binago naging 3. Naging 3 years na lang noong 1987 Constitution.
It was the father of the minority leader who was the author, the father of the local government code.
That's right.
Madam Sponsor. I do not know the rationale behind it. Bakit binabaan ng 3 years ang term ng mga local officials. But at any rate,
ang pagkaintindi ko, kasi tulad na banggit ko talagang wala pa tayo noon. Nax. Talagang, ang pagkaalam ko, ang sabi noon, hindi maaari na yung mga barangay na sinusupervise o minamandohan ng ating mga mayor ay mas mahaba ang termino sa mismong mga mayor, governor, congressman na administrative supervisor nila. Pero kung tutuusin, parang hindi naman yata masyadong mahalaga yung dahilan na yun. At ang mas magandang solusyon, paltan na rin natin yung napakaikling termino ng mga mayor, governor.
So you are also in favor of extending the term of the local officials to...
The mayor?
Yeah, mayors and other local...
Yes, I believe so. I think most mayors would be very much relieved if they didn't have to have so many elections to worry about.
Sa San Juan, ayoko.
Alam ko, kayo ni Nancy.
Anyway, at any rate, I back to the
Pumasok
wisdom of the good sponsor, Majority Leader.
Thank you po.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay James Martin, huwag kang mambola Madam Amy, hindi nyo alam ang nangyayari sa barangay, may ibang kapitan na hindi serbisyo ang purpose. Pahayag naman ni Paul Agres, note postponement. Dapat harangin yan ng Supreme Court. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Roland Pabalit, daming nakaupo ngayon na barangay captain at kagawad na involved sa masamang gawain tapos gawin mo pang 6 years. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.